Just a wax stick to keep things down. I look like an angel now. Yeah, welcome back to a new video. So today we're doing a quick hair tutorial, just showcasing this, you know, if you had any questions about what I'm giving. All the details are in this video, but thank you so much for watching. This is Macu, and trust me, I can't stop touching it because it's like that soft. So if you want more details on this hair so you can have it too, keep watching the So it's a silk headband in here, hair bag for when I store it, thank you Jesus, some 3D eyelashes, a wig cap that's too light skin for me. I have a small cap size and it's 24 inches, it's 180 density. I should have got a medium cap size. We can discuss that another day. You can see how soft it is. Remember how there was one hair that I had not too long ago that everyone liked, and I was like, I wish that it was the frontal hair matched the bundles in the back, and this hair, they exactly match. This is what I've been asking for. So I'm very, very pleased that this is about to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Don't know why I would ever say something so corny, but we continue. All right, so we're gonna start with my handy dandy process, which is to tint the lace some more with my foundation powder. Oh, this is what the inside of the cap looks like. So it's not closure, but you know, it's actually ear to ear. I make sure I get back here too, so my part makes sense. If I do decide, you know, to part it up, flip it over, you know. So just in case, for a little more support, it's just this hair dye, and I mix it with water, shake it up. That's it. So because this cap size is smaller than normal, well, small, it's meant to be small. I have a smaller head, so I just assumed that small cap size would be mine, but I could have got a medium. So this is how we're going to finesse when the wig cap is a little too small, but it was your fault, you know. Same joint on this side. Just want to make sure my whole ear is out, because if it ain't, then it's going to be a little irritating to me. Yeah, I don't like that. Gotta make sure my ear fold back so I can hear the bullshit properly. So soft, like so soft. So soft. Like a little bit extra on because the edges of this wig are gonna be a little, you know, cutting it close because this cap is too small. But ain't no fret. We prepared for retrogrades bullshit, so it ain't nothing that we can't make a solution out of. Use my blow dryer on cool. It's just the tricky part because it dead don't fit. But what is a will is a way, baby. So what I'm going to do is lay it down from now and then come back and then do edges and stuff. Take some of this lace off. I look crazy. I've never tried this, so it's gonna be a learning curve for both of us. But it's worth a try because this hair, she worked it. I want her to last. I like this one. Definitely a top 5 of the year already, and not even lay her down. So she's like that. Like so soft, so soft. I have 2 strands of hair that came out, but girl, for how soft this shit is, I don't give up. I love how it just like is root to tip wavy. This is like perfect summer hair, low maintenance. Okay, so for this unit, I really wanted to, I didn't feel like plucking, I'm gonna be honest. And 2, I could tell that I didn't need to pluck for the style I wanted because I wanted to leave it down and wet and wavy. And I did that. Very luscious, still not shedding. Okay, it's giving crazy in love. I don't know why I would say that, but it's giving something 03. It's just a wax stick to keep things down. I look like an angel now.